Stop paying for Runway and Pika. YouTube's new free AI video tool is insane. Hi, everyone. If you want to create videos like the one you're seeing on the screen for free, in this video, I'm going to show you how it works. So, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then click on the Gemini icon at the top right corner. After that, type your prompt here. For example, I tried a prompt about a small shiny ball. And here's the result. Another one for a printing company that describes its services.
Bienvenue chez Imprimerie Grappe. De l'impression numérique à la personnalisation textile, nous réalisons tous vos projets avec une qualité professionnelle et des finitions impeccables.
And I also created a video showing a llama running through the mountains, just as you can see on the screen. As you can see, this new YouTube AI video generator is easy to use, fun to try, completely free, and very useful for creating amazing videos in just a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.